Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to start building Lego like I do usually every Sunday afternoon in the winter time. And today we are going to build, or start building, the Cat D11T. This is a fully licensed Lego kit. And again, I used to work for the local cat dealership, so I had to have this kit. So sit back and enjoy. I'll probably do a couple of time lapses of this kit and then stop every section and show you what I've got built. And it's probably going to be a couple of parts. I'm not sure exactly. We'll see how it goes. But again, sit back and enjoy the build of this Cat D11T. There's step number 1 done.
Everyone can shop. A family room where you can let your hair down. And a bathtub that is a 3-line swimming room. The thing I want to walk through the room together once again.
As you can see, it's well, it's a work. So that's step number 1. On to step number 2. So there's step number 2 done, and as you see, I did the functionality tests with the phone app. So now we're going to start step number 3, and that's probably all we'll do for this video. Hi guys, that's going to be it for today. As you can see, I'm not even through the 3rd bag of parts on this, so it's going to take probably 2 or 3 videos to finish this. It actually does build like the real cat. It goes together in segments like the real machine does. There's 2 of these books that are pretty thick. This book has 480 pages in it. I don't know how many the second has, but I do believe there's 8 or 9 steps to this. So this will probably end up being about 3 videos before I get this done. So I hope you enjoyed this video number 1 of putting together the Cat D11T Dozer. Stay tuned, and I hope to have part 2 out shortly, followed by part 3 if there is one. So thanks again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys back here on part 2. Bye.